Let's make an outdoor fall step sitter today. We're going to start with our components that come in the kit or the bundle, and this is going to be a plastic liner pot for you. Once you design it in this liner pot, you can often just place this whole thing in an outdoor safe planter or basket or something more decorative and then have it be removable. So you're going to get this little 7-inch planter. You're going to get a chunk of foam today, and this one is pre-foamed. Here is our styrofoam brick almost in its entirety with the two ends cut off of the brick and put in sideways to stabilize. So that's how you glue your foam. You can see it doesn't have to be fancy, it just has to be in there and stable so that the block doesn't pop out. If you know this is going to be outside in the elements getting rained or snowed on, make sure you drill out some holes so that the water can drain, and that will make it not be waterlogged. You're also going to get the UV protected outdoor safe mum bush, super bright, vibrant, all plastic, UV plastic, and that one is going to be good color for your season. And these outdoor safe leaf bushes here, ×2, great color to help it look nice and full so that when you drop it in your liner basket or your pot, it fills it out nicely. Okay, let's get started. The first step would be to take your glue again and use your glue gun or your glue pan to cut your foam and place two separate little 1-inch chunks that you've cut off the ends on the sides to make it stable. Glue it in so it's good and stuck for you, and that's the starting point. Then we're going to use our two different bushes, the same bush ×2. They're outdoor safe, they have good little stems. We're going to use those and nestle them underneath the mum bush so they're going left and right of center. And those two pieces will be shaped up and through our mum once we get that in place as well. I'm dipping and using some hand glue today. And then the mum goes smack dab in the middle. Mum in the middle. He needs some glue, maybe, maybe not. He's such a thick stem that I can fully expect if you press that deep into the foam, it's probably not going anywhere. And then it's all about shaping. So this just dresses up our mum so he's not all by himself in the pot. I'm gonna pop 2 or 3 of the stems from the side. I'm gonna bend them up through the mum. I'm just grabbing a leaf and pulling it up through the center of the mum for some color in the mum. Let's do another one back here. You can just kind of separate the mum bush, wiggle a stem up and through, get you some extra height and some extra color. And the other pieces will remain to stick out and be full around our plant. And let's do one more from the other corner of the pot and pull one more up. So that gives us 3 different pieces of the leaf bush pulled up through the mum. And that does break up the mum bush a little bit and looks nice and full. And as you can see, if this liner pot dropped into a bigger basket, something around 8 inches to 10 inches in diameter, this would be a great filler for starting some color on your porch this year. Maybe like that. There we go. We have a pot filler for you today.